the part 2, I explained about list, tuples, and today I would like to talk about the important things, sets and dictionaries. What is sets and what is dictionary, and how can we write a sets in Python? So I will explain it now. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Sets are written with curly brackets. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. So, how can we write a sets in Python? Maybe set1 equal to, it should be in curly bracket. It might be John, Lara, or Sarah. Okay, yes. And if we print this set1, so it shows us the elements inside the set1. We can also write another set with integer or number 1, 5, 7, 4, etc. And if we print this set2, sorry, here I wrote it should be the curly bracket. Yes, it's also a set, and if we put another items look like that, maybe we wrote here a name and also a number, and also we can write a boolean. If we print set3, so what happened? Yes, it shows us all the things together. So in the sets, it's also possible we can put as the elements the string type, integer type, and also boolean type. And we can put all together. It's also possible in a set. But here we know sets are unchangeable. That means if we put any element here, we cannot change it like list. So it's also important to know about the sets. Also add a new elements in a set. How is it work? Let's see an example. How can we add a new element in a set? Maybe here we also want to add a new element. So set1 dot add. Want to add a name Robin, and after that if I print, here is this thing. So what happened? Here we saw add the Robin. So it's possible to add a new elements in a set. And also if we remove a element, just here maybe Lara, we want to remove. So yeah, here we only see the two elements Sarah and John, and Lara is removed. So it's also possible. Now I would like to show the operations in the sets. I will show today two operations in the set. It's union and intersection. What is union and intersection? So I just want to write here name 1 equal to this thing. Maybe I just copy and paste here, and name 2 I just want to create a new set. I took from here this 2 John Robin, 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 Maya, like that. And after that, if I want maybe new set equal to name 1 dot union name 2. So print new set. So what it shows? Yes, those are the elements are is together now. So here Maya, John, Sarah, Robin, Lara all came together. It's union. If I want to intersection, so what is the output? Only comes John, because John is the element. In those both sets we can see the same element. That's the reason in intersection we can only have this value, that is in 2 element. So yes, it's the set. And here we always need to put this bracket, curly brackets. It's also important in a set. And now we will know about the dictionaries. What is dictionaries? Dictionaries are used to store data values in key and value pairs. What is the main key and value? We will know it. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Dictionaries are used to create a map of unique keys to values. To create a dictionary, use curly bracket to construct the dictionary and square bracket to index it. So, before we write a dictionary, I just want to explain about key and value. What is key and value? Maybe here, when we write a set, just all the elements, it's come single. All the elements is single. But for the dictionary, all the elements come as a pair. Maybe my dic. When we write a dictionary, first use a curly bracket. After that, maybe we need to write a name. What is John? Like before. And John, how old is John? Maybe he's 25 years old. So we can put it 25. It's a key and the 25, the age is the value. So that's reason here in the dictionary we always write two things, key and values, as a pair. It does not possible only keys or only values in a dictionary. If we write here Lara, we also need some values, otherwise it doesn't work. Maybe Lara is 30 years old. If we print my date, then what is the result? Yes, we see here John and Lara is came with the age or with the values. So it's the difference between set, list or another things with dictionary. So we can also write maybe another day, my day equal to anything, mango, is the keys and value maybe 10 euro or 5 euros per kilo, and also apple, it's the value maybe 3 euro per kilo. And here if we print my so it's the same. So we know about that, what is dictionary and how to write a dictionaries. And it's changeable. We can change the values or the elements. It's possible in a dictionary. So I think, yes, we all now know about the dictionaries and set. So in this video, I just want to say about what is the main things with those four important built-in data types: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List is collection which is ordered and changeable, allows duplicate members or values, and it might be in a square bracket. Tuples is a collection which is or unchangeable and allows duplicate, and we will write it within a round bracket. Sets are unindexed. No duplicate members are allowed in a set, and it might be in the curly bracket. And the dictionary is unordered and unchangeable. It's changeable and no duplicate is allowed, and it's also right within a curly bracket. If we learn about those four built-in data types, it might be a good thing to go far. So for today, I think for this part 3, it's enough, and we will learn each and every day bit more about new things. So thanks for watching, and I think hopefully this tutorial might be helpful for all of you, and I am also happy to share this thing with my viewers. So see you in the next videos for today.